Imagine a platform where sports, gaming, and NFTs collide, creating a one-of-a-kind experience for fans and athletes alike. A place where you don't just watch the action, you own a piece of it. From live streaming niche sports to earning rewards from the play, this platform is set to revolutionize any kind of sport, gaming, and fan-based industry. So, ready to level up your fan experience? Let's dive in. This is EX Sports, or the EXS Token. These guys are set to revolutionize niche sports by essentially providing royalties to these athletes and allowing fans to earn from the gameplay. They do this with NFTs, live streaming, and mobile gaming to essentially enhance any kind of niche sports experience, allowing payment to the athletes and the fans. Now, one thing that's great about this company is they've actually hosted over 150 live events. As you can see some of them here playing on the screen, and they have reached over 500 million TV homes. So these guys are actually out there, they're producing stuff, and they're now introducing this token to go along with it. They've developed 5 international brands, and as you can see here, they are partnered with some massive names in the television and media space. Some of these are Red Bull, ESPN, Eurosport, just to name a few. Now, these guys have raised over $4 million, and their public sale was $800K at $47 million for fully diluted valuation. They're currently doing a massive airdrop, as you can see here, for their token generation event. If we go down here, this is pretty much how the platform works. So you can play to earn in their gaming system, which is essentially a mobile game where if you compete at the highest levels in this game, you can earn the EXS token very easily. And they also do watch to earn as well. And this is essentially watching real life competitions on a live stream and trying to predict the results. When the predictions are made and you are correct, you can then earn from that prediction with the EXS token. And they've also released an NFT collection, which you can actually buy or you can get rewarded from just joining the platform. So if we look at the NFTs here, this is essentially similar to trading cards. You remember trading cards with basketball players, stuff like this. Well, they're doing this with these niche sports, which will allow for the user adoption to grow for these sports, but also for this token and for this brand to grow alongside that. What I love about this project is they've integrated themselves into a very up-and-coming industry, and they've scaled into it massively, hosting lots of live events and really just getting an economy set behind that. And if you follow soccer or football or any major live sports, there is a big economy surrounding those sports and the players as well as the fans. So attaching this kind of system to the up-and-coming sports, I think personally is a massive recipe for success. So currently in their beta app, they have 43,000 organic users, which is a massive achievement for a new app. And the wallets created inside that app are over 20,000. They've currently been integrated with over 100,000 matches that have been played in Urban Ball, with 23,000 predictions made on their app. Now, if we're talking about their NFT collection, they've actually already had 20,000 of those NFTs redeemed, which is a massive success when you compare it to other NFT projects. If we go over to their socials here, we can see that on their X account, they have 67,000 followers and over 1,000 verified followers. So if you can imagine any of these verified followers actually have big communities behind them, then that could increase the adoption of the project as well as the price of the coin. And what I love about these guys is they are always out there making partnerships, promoting. You can see here, $5,000 up for grabs of the EXS token just from partnering with TDX. If we go over to their Instagram, we can see that they have 13.9 thousand followers, which is massive in terms of Instagram following. And for a token like this, targeting the mainstream with these niche sports, I do think this is a good idea to actually be going for Instagram. A lot of projects don't do this. I think that's a mistake from a lot of projects. These guys doing it fantastically. So how does this brand actually make money? Well, very simple. Okay, so the fans will actually give revenue and then get collectible cards as well as rewards, right? And we can also see that the federation will give the player licenses, so similar to the IP of the player, allowing that player to be used in branding campaigns with the NFTs and stuff like this, right? And then those organizations will get rewards from that. As well as that, the players or the athletes themselves will have to give their consent to use that IP, and then they will get rewards from this platform as well. And the way this platform makes money is from all of these things, but there will be kind of ad deals, there will be promotional stuff, there will be sponsorship stuff like this, and all of this gets distributed into this economy between the fans, between the athletes, and between the companies that represent the athletes. So in summary here, guys, definitely check this one out in the description because there is massive opportunity to obviously earn from the airdrop, but also check out the token right now because there could be a massive opportunity here for a long-term investment, from my opinion, where essentially, yes, as these guys grow with these sports, they've set up this economy. It looks fantastic. It's rewarding everyone involved. And yes, it's just a good way to grow with the sport and make everyone rich. And yes, it's just a great project, great ecosystem, and they've done everything fantastically when it comes to marketing. So that's going to be it from me. Check this one out in the description. I will see you in the next video.